Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Indobangla train. Today I have come to Jashore Godkhali rail gate. It's a very nice place. There are a lot of mustard field beside the rail line. I think you will be happy to see this place. Now I am showing you this place and its nature. So let's watch it. Viewers, these flower gardens are cultivated by the railway gatekeepers. There are a lot of flower gardens here, so they also cultivated this garden. A young man cultivated rose plant, waving hands to me. Now I am waiting for international train Bandhan Express. The Bandhan Express train is an international express rail service which runs between the Indian city Kolkata and the Bangladeshi city Khulna, 2 days in every week. It is the second modern day, fully air-conditioned passengers train link between the Indian state West Bengal and Bangladesh. It was initially referred to as the Madhya Express too. A valid visa and passport is required before purchasing a ticket for the Bandhan Express train. Tickets are available at Khulna railway station in Bangladesh and at Chitpur railway station in Kolkata, India. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina, and Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee flagged off the Kolkata Khulna Bandhan Express train service via video conference from Kolkata on 9 November 2017. The train starts at Kolkata Chitpur railway station on the Indian side, stopping at Damdam and Banga before reaching the Indian border at Petrapol. The train then crosses to Benaful on the Bangladeshi side, going through Jikorgasa and Jashore before reaching Khulna railway station. The immigration process is done in Kolkata and Benapol. A valid visa and passport is required before purchasing a ticket for the Bandhan Express train. Tickets are available at Khulna railway station in Bangladesh and at Chitpur railway station in Kolkata, India. On March 8, 2019, both governments agreed to make a 3 minute halt at Jashore in order to attract more passengers, and 200 tickets are reserved for the passengers from Jashore station. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share my video for new updates. Thanks for watching.